here with this Ftse 100 look, and today is Sunday 13th of December, 6:48 in the evening, and we'll start with the monthly bar chart in front of us. And we've got the chart here, and you can see here that we can see the lows here of 2009 here, and the lows were 3,464, and obviously we've got the high here of this, that was the end of 2014 when the Ftse closed at 7,124. Now obviously we've fallen quite a way back at the moment. We've got this big red candle here we're making in December. We had this big fall here at the end of August, September, had a recovery, and now we're continuing down. Where can we find support from this fall here? Obviously we've got a line here on the chart here. This is the moving average, 100 monthly moving average, and that comes in at 58.59. We've also got sorry, an upward sloping trend line that comes in around that number. If you put a Fibonacci retracement, so obviously everything's coming around this 5,700 mark. I then run a Fibonacci from the lows, which was in 2011 when we had a double bottom here, and that also comes in about the 5,953 with the 68% retracement of 5,676. So obviously that's where I would expect support to come in and the market test this lower trend line here. So at the moment we look as though we possibly could do down another 300-400 points. This fall here is taking out the lows of obviously this year and last year, and now even start to erode the lows of 2013. If we break the swing load here, this last swing load here, then we're obviously heading down to back to 2012 level. So we're seeing some major erosion of this upwards trend that we've been in place now for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months. The RSI is obviously pointing down at 40. We'll pop down into the daily chart, and you see my Fibonacci zones on here at the moment. Obviously we had I just get the colours right on the 50. The 50 is on the red at the present moment. We've got a 200-day moving average here coming in. We've got the 50, we've got a 20, we've got a 5, and we've got a 10. And at the moment they're all pointing down. Obviously they're all lining up quite nicely as though we've got a continuation of a downwards trend. We are popping down into oversold territory at the moment, obviously falling below the 30 mark on the RSI. This was last seen at the end of August. Obviously you can see here the swing low here at the end of August at just above the 5,800. Obviously we've got minus support back in here at 5,900. If we break that, I see no reason why we don't come down to test 5,800, 5,700 in the near term. Obviously value at the moment is back up here at just over 6,200 with the 10-day moving average. Just check that is a 10-day moving average back up here. So obviously any bounce would be seen as a selling opportunity, but obviously we can see that we've got a clear downwards trend at the moment, and this looks to be in place and locked in at the present moment. So obviously I'll put an update in the next 2 weeks. Thanks for watching.